Rolling suitcase, a traveler's companion. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very practical item that many of us use in our travels: the rolling suitcase. This video is perfect for English language learners who want to expand their vocabulary and understand common phrases used in travel. Let's dive in. A rolling suitcase is a type of luggage designed for convenience and portability. Unlike traditional suitcases, it comes with wheels, usually 2 or 4, and a telescoping handle. This design allows travelers to pull the suitcase along beside or behind them, making it easier to move through airports, train stations, and city streets. The rolling suitcase has become a staple for travelers worldwide due to its ease of use. The concept of the rolling suitcase dates back to the early 1970s. Before then, suitcases were carried by hand, making travel cumbersome, especially with heavy luggage. The introduction of wheels and a retractable handle revolutionized the way people travel, offering a convenient and less strenuous way to transport belongings. Rolling suitcases come in various sizes, colors, and materials, catering to different travel needs and personal preferences. Key features to look for include durability. Materials like polycarbonate or high-quality fabric can withstand rough handling. Size and weight. Consider airline size restrictions for carry-on and checked luggage. Compartments. Multiple compartments help in organizing items efficiently. Locks and security. Built-in locks or straps add an extra layer of security. Suitcase. When selecting a rolling suitcase, consider the following tips. Purpose of travel. Choose a size based on the length and type of your trip. Handle and wheel quality. Ensure the handle extends smoothly and the wheels roll easily. Weight. Lighter suitcases are easier to maneuver and reduce the risk of excess baggage fees. Expandability. Some suitcases can expand to accommodate more items, which is useful for longer trips or if you plan to shop. When using a rolling suitcase. Packing. Distribute weight evenly to maintain balance and prevent tipping. Navigation. Practice maneuvering your suitcase in crowded areas. Maintenance. Regularly check wheels and handles for wear and tear. The rolling suitcase isn't just a travel tool. It's a cultural icon that represents mobility and convenience in the modern world. It's a symbol of travel and exploration, often featured in movies, advertisements, and as a metaphor in literature. Its popularity continues to grow as it evolves with features like GPS tracking, USB charging ports, and smart locks. The rolling suitcase is more than just luggage. It's a travel companion that makes our journeys smoother and more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first trip, understanding this essential travel item can enhance your travel experience. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Happy travels, and see you in the next video.